This 2023 Alliance RV Avenue 26RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.